Steady flow on line 3.
Copy that. Moving the next pallet.
Keep an eye on the pressure gauge right there.
Acknowledged. Looks stable now?
This cluster here seems problematic.
Agreed. Let's adjust the sensitivity settings.
Temperature holding steady at 190.
Acknowledged. Flow rate is optimal.
Check the seal on that one near the front. Looks good. Keep the fan speed steady. Check the tension on the lower wrap. Looks good, it's holding tight.
The throughput has increased by 10% this hour.
The new calibration seems to be working well.
Confirming retrieval sequence 7 initiated.
Sequence confirmed. Proceeding to drop off. This automated storage and retrieval system is the heart of the operation, capable of moving goods dozens of feet in seconds.
Humidity levels are stable at 40%.
Noted. I'm increasing the coolant flow now.
We need that Route 4 pallet move now. Copy that, moving it to track 2. Check the manifest on the next row.
Check the calibration date on this respirator tag.
Looks good. I'm logging it now. The dashboard confirms full compliance.
Initiating high-pressure sequence in Bay 7. Stand by for foam deployment.
Friction levels are stable at 95.
Confirmed. The microdosing is precise. I'll log the results now.
We have a hotspot developing right here.
Yes, I see the corresponding vibration spike.
This facility processes over 10 million cubic feet of air every hour, ensuring the city breathes clean.
Turbidity is stable across all 3 tanks.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
We're seeing a spike in the delta right here.
Yeah, I see it. Rerouting the coolant flow. Here in this corridor,
Nozzle pressure is optimal on Unit 7.
Confirmed. The flow rate is steady.
The output on line 3 dropped slightly in the last hour.
Yes, I noticed the pressure differential trending down. I'm running diagnostics now.
The voltage on line 3 is stable.
Confirmed. Let's check the relay next.
Ah, esta agua está fría.
Sí, hace mucho calor hoy.
Verify machine readiness on line 3.
Confirmed. Parameters are nominal.
Automated inspection allows our teams to monitor complex processes with unprecedented precision.
the ridges here show excellent blistering.
Yes, and the salt particulate distribution is optimal.
The pressure peaked right at the seal.
Deformation correlates exactly with the burst point.
The compression factor on drop cycle 9 exceeded the threshold.
Yes, but the seal integrity remained at 99%.
The reading stabilized at 1.5.
Okay, let's reduce the gain by 5% and retest.
Looks good. All green across the board for this section.
Confirmed. The wrap looks secure.
The updated workflow charts highlight the bottlenecks in Sector Gamma. We must optimize coordination here to hit our quarterly targets.
We need to reroute the next 3 pallets to Dock 7 immediately.
Understood. I'll update the WMS and notify the floor team.
Verification confirmed on lot 749.
Quality check looks good from here.
This is the conveyor sample. Label it B98.
Understood. I'm taking the tool sample now.
The pressure looks good according to this diagram. Yes, the separation efficiency is optimal right now. The thickness variance on line 3 is slightly high.
We need to adjust the slicer calibration immediately.
Alignment is good according to the tablet.
Thumbs up confirmed. We are ready for the test run.
The calibration holds. No deformation on the substrate.
Confirmed. We are within tolerance.
Look at the oscillation data on screen 3. The z-axis peak is exceeding the threshold.
Yes, we need to log this immediately and check the alignment down the line.
The color registration is spot on, well within the delta E tolerance.
Good. Check the repeat length on the next batch.
Main power sequence initiated.
Confirmed. Recalibrating robotics now. Status is green.
Flavor code 9 confirmed on the rotation list.
Pallet retrieval authorized for shipment. Moving to aisle 4.
Check the gradient on this pallet here.
Yeah, looks consistent. The stabilization protocols are working.
The stability check is complete, all green across the board. Excellent. Send it through to staging.
Route assignment 12 looks good. It's diverting to the left bay now.
Confirmed. The flow rate is exactly where it should be.
Radio check. 1, 2, 3.
Testing audio levels now. Loud and clear.
Increasing the conveyor speed now.
Optimal synchronization achieved. The metrics look good.
Check the labels on this stack.
All clear. I'm updating the manifest now.
Looks ready for shipping.
The conveyor status is green across the board. Fryer temps are stable at 180.
We managed to hit the 95% packaging rate this hour.
Bearing temps holding steady on Unit 3.
Roger that. Finishing the torque sequence now.
The sequencing is perfect, but monitor the thermal output on the far right array.
Confirmed. We have a slight spike at the transition points.
Keep the pace up, single file on the left. Move, move, move.
Inside the color consistency light tunnel, perfectly calibrated white and amber LEDs highlight any defects.
The impact force registers lower at this velocity.
Yes, but look at the seal integrity on frame 420.